Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am drawing a beautiful cat. I love drawing and painting so much. You can try to draw with me. You know that drawing is a beautiful art form that can capture the world around us in a unique and expressive way. It's a way of communicating ideas and different emotions without words, and it can be enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels. There is something magical about the way a a simple pencil or piece of charcoal can transform a black piece of paper into a whole new world with just a few strokes. This drawing is of a cute cat. The cat is sitting and looking at you with big eyes. It has soft fur of all over its body. That cat's tail is long and covered. Its ears are pointy. The background is plain, so you can really see the cat. The artist used simple colors like black, white, and grey, brown. The cat looks like calm and happy. You can almost feel how soft it's just by looking. The drawing is small but full of cat feelings. It makes you want to pet the cat. Overall, it's sweet and simple drawing of a loyal cat in strokes of charcoals, black at night. A furry friend takes from at night, not just a cat, but loyalty. Guys, with eyes that memorize. Thank you so much. You watch my video.